You ready for your present?
Yes.
All right, sit down. All right, here you go.
Will I rip it?
Go ahead, yeah, you can rip it.
What's inside?
What's that?
Blanket!
It's your blanket. You want to try it on?
Yeah.
Okay. What are those guys?
Monsters.
Okay, try on your blanket. Want some help?
Is that pins?
Nope, I took all the pins out. Nobody's going to poke you. Here, lie down. Ready?
Let's wait.
Okay, lie down. How's that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's for me.
It's for you. Do you see Lightning McQueen?
Yeah.
Do you like it, Michael? Yeah, it feels good, huh?
Why you look shit?
Oh, that should keep him busy.